All right, I've got about a cup of dried juniper berries. I've been drying those since summer, so for a couple months. Fill that up, and then you're supposed to wait about a month, and then once all the berries start to sink, you should have some Smreka. I think that's how you pronounce it. So a Norwegian beer. So these have all dried. They've got that natural yeast on them. I had about a cup in there, and you can see a few needles. That won't hurt anything. But again, we'll wait for about a month, shake it once a day or so, and then we should ferment into an alcoholic beverage. So the Smreka's almost ready. As you can see, the berries have almost all floated to the bottom. Once those final ones sink down, I'm going to strain that off, and then that should be okay to drink. So it's been about a month since I started it.